Hello, Michael Greenspan here from Get Pain Free TV, here to talk to you again about your deep hip rotator muscles this time. These hip rotator muscles are often at the source of hip pain as well as pain that radiates all the way down your leg. Often these muscles get really tight, but they also get very weak and very atrophied. They tend to waste away from what's called lack of use because we tend to sit a lot, whether it's at our desk, at our car, at our couch. We tend to sit a lot, and these little muscles that attach to your hip joint, the top of your femur is like a fist, and these little muscles the size of your fingers basically surround your hip. So if you look at the chart right here, there's 5 of these muscles, and right here they're connecting into your hip socket. And if you look at the little red marks right there in the chart, these little red marks show where the pain is caused when you get little trigger points in these hip rotator muscles. So you'll notice how sometimes it actually radiates down your leg, sometimes down the front of your leg, sometimes down the back of your leg, deep into your hip, deep into your buttocks. And this deep pain is often very hard to get rid of unless you really do the right stabilization exercises, unless you get to the root of the trigger point muscles and you do the right stretches. So there's a lot of different ways that you can release these little deep hip rotator muscles. Right in here, you can get a little ball, what's called a little pinky ball, and you can learn how to treat them on your own. You can do a lot of really excellent, very effective postural alignment exercises that stabilize your pelvis, your lumbar area, and really minimize the amount of stress and tension that go into these muscles. So these muscles, like I said, because they atrophy, it's very important to do the right exercises that basically engage and fire those muscles in the right position. So not only is it very important to release them to get out of pain, it's very important to also engage those muscles with the correct postural exercises. So check around the website. You'll find some great informative tips about how to treat your own muscles. Opt in, and you can learn some great ways to treat these muscles as well. And thank you so much for checking in.